Hello guys, in this section we are discussing about adding the two matrices. So I am writing this program in C programming. In that first I declare the header file hash include standard input output.h. In that int main declare the three matrices. So here these are the instruction. First we have to declare three matrices, one for two for adding purpose and one for store the result. X and Y are the input matrices and Z stores the sum of X and Y matrices. We can also use macro for 100. Then int X, here we declare the variables in integer. X, this is the two-dimensional array. 100 and 100, these are the size of the array, and Y 100 and 100, Z 100 and 100. Int rows, I take the four variables here, integers, rows, columns, I and J. Take the row size and column size from user. So we have to ask the user for row size and column size. For here we take the size from 1 to 100, right? So we have to tell the user that this is the size of the array is in between 1 to 100. So scanf read the row size and column size. Scanf %d and row, scanf %d and column. So first row size for the matrices which is the variable row, I take variable row, and column size which is columns. Check for array bounds. So here we check the array bounds whether it is whatever you give the rows and column size, whether it is correct or not. If rows greater than or equal to 100, or rows is less than or equal to 0, or column is greater than or equal to 100, or column is less than or equal to 0. If we set the user to enter the row size in between 1 to 100. If they entered like less than 1 and more than 100, then we have to set the invalid row or column, please try again. So we have to return 0. Take the user, then take the user input for first matrices. We have to ask the users to enter the first matrix details. For enter elements for first matrix of size %d into %d. %d is row and next %d is column. For I equal to 0, I is greater than, I is less than rows, I plus plus. We have to write two for loop here, one for rows, one for column. Then we have to ask enter printf. It is for our it is help to user to which position you are putting the variable. Then scanf, it read the matrix and take the user second matrices. We have to ask the user for second matrix which is Y. So same as it is, enter the second matrix. Then I write two loop for that, then two for loop for that, then printf, it is for identity, then scanf. Now in this here we have to write to two program. Now we have to add the two matrices. If for that I write two for loop and then add elements from X and Y. So here we take X and Y for two matrices. So that is stored in Z, right? So we have to add those X of ij plus Y of ij. And now if we have to print the result, so printing result is also we have to take the loop. Sum of two matrices Z equal to X plus Y is, then I equal to 0, I is less than rows, I plus plus, and also that for columns. Print the elements. Here print %d, so Z is the result, right? So we have to print that one. Here we use the slash n, which is for which is correct for represent the matrix. Then return 0, closing. So now we have to compile this. Successfully completed. Finally successfully completed. Now enter the row size for matrices 1. So I write the row size for 3. Then enter the column size 2. I take 2. So I enter the first element. I write 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 3. So also for second matrix 2, 3, 8, 6, 1, 4. So result is like 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 8, 14, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 6, 13, 9 plus 1, 10, 3 plus 4, 7. This is the sum of the matrices. Thank you.